Now when it comes on to taking care of your skin, there's several different types of products that you can use on the skin. You can use a facial toner, you can use a facial serum, you can use a facial moisturizer, and you can use a facial oils. Now all these products are really vital to the skin. They all contain antioxidants that your skin needs to keep it looking hydrated, younger, and fresher. Now when it comes on to wrinkles and fine lines, these happen as we age. The collagen production slows down, and that means you're going to start to see wrinkles on the skin. Now a good antioxidant that will help to slow that process down is vitamin A, and vitamin A will boost the collagen and reduce wrinkles. Vitamin A comes in the form of a retinol A or retinol. Now retinol you can get over the counter, and retinol A you definitely need to get a prescription. You can also choose to use natural vitamin A on the skin. These you can find in yellow vegetables such as squash and pumpkin and red peppers. You can even find vitamin A in dark green leaf vegetables like spinach and kale. You can also find vitamin A in oils such as cacao oil, marula oil, avocado oil, and even some good old rosehip oil. So today I'm sharing an homemade vitamin A facial serum. This facial serum is loaded with antioxidants that will not only boost the collagen and reduce wrinkles, but it will lift, tighten, and firm the skin. So if you're looking for an homemade recipe using all natural ingredients, simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe, and at the end I'll share a few tips on how to get your skin to look younger for longer. So let's go do this. Our first ingredient is a carrot, and we're using a small carrot. We're using the carrot for its vitamin A properties. Vitamin A will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and it will also help the skin to look plump and firm. Now to prepare the carrot, we are not going to peel. All we're going to do is just wash the carrot, since the peel of the carrot contains most of the vitamin A. We're going to blend this carrot. We only need the juice, so go ahead, wash, chop, and blend. Now once we chopped the carrot, we're going to reach for our blender, and any small blender will do. If you do not have a blender, you can go ahead, you can grate the carrot or juice the carrot and extract the carrot juice. Now carrots tend to be a little hard, so we're going to use some liquid in this. And my liquid of choice is rose water, and rose water is very hydrating to the skin. So we are going to place about 2 tablespoons of rose water in the blender with the carrot, and now we are going to cover and we're going to blend. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have the blended carrot, and the next thing we're going to do, we are going to strain. All we need is the carrot juice. So extract the carrot juice. Now once this is done, take a look. Here we have our carrot juice. We're going to reach back for our blender, nice and clean, and take a look at our next ingredient. Here I have some powdered milk, also known as milk powder. This is rich in lactic acid, which will help to clear the skin of dead skin cells. This is good for shrinking large pores, and it also will help to hydrate the skin. If you do not have powdered milk, go ahead and use regular milk for this recipe. We're going to be using 2 teaspoons of the powdered milk. And next we're reaching back for our carrot juice. We're going to pour all of this in, which is about 2 tablespoons of the carrot. So we have powdered milk and we have carrot, and we're going to blend the two together to start with. So just cover Make sure to give it a little shake. And we're going to blend. Once this is done, take a look. Here we have our carrot and milk. And let's pour this out. Now take a look. Here we have our carrot, rose water, and milk. Now let's reach for our final ingredient. And here I have some aloe vera gel. For this recipe, you can choose to use fresh aloe vera gel. If you're using fresh aloe vera, add the aloe vera gel to the blender with the rose water and the carrot. If you're using the store-bought, do not add it before you blend. Add it at the end like I'm doing here. So we're going to dip in. And we're using 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. If you're using regular aloe vera gel, go ahead and use about 2 tablespoons. Scoop this in. And now we're going to mix this aloe vera gel in. Slowly work it in. And this is going to be jelly-like. Another ingredient that you can add to this is some honey. If you do not have aloe vera gel, use the honey. Totally dissolve that aloe vera gel. Blend well. And now that our aloe vera gel is dissolved, it's a little bit creamy consistency, and this is how you want it to be. Now I'm going to use an optional ingredient in this. Optional. You do not need to use it if you do not have it. However, if you have it, use a little bit to preserve it a little longer. So here I have some vegetable glycerin, and vegetable glycerin is going to help to keep bacteria out. If you have regular glycerin, use that also. And we're using a little bit, just about a half a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. Remember, it's optional. Now you can use a little bit of a vitamin E if you do not have the vegetable glycerin. And now this is done, and this is ready to bottle or to put in your jar. So reach for our storage jar. Now if you have a bottle with a spray pump, this is also good to use in it. Any open jar or any of your old, facial cream jar, you can use that. So let's just pour this in. And this is it. This is your vitamin A facial serum. Now the way you're going to use this on your skin, you're going to take just a few drops of this. So I'm just going to warm it up in my hand like this, and then I'm going to press it on my skin. I like to press this on my skin before I massage my skin. So just press it on the skin, and don't forget to press this down on the neck and décolleté. Okay, so keep pressing. Once this is done, you are going to let this sit on the skin for a few minutes, and then you're going to go back in with your hands and you're going to massage the face. Okay, you're going to massage the face. If you're using a facial moisturizer on top of this, then go ahead and apply the moisturizer, and then you massage the face. So massage, lift, and tighten the skin. Hold it, go back in, lift, and tighten. So do a quick facial massage every night when you apply this on the skin. Go to sleep with this. Wake up in the morning with a tighter, firmer, and not only that, a younger, fresher looking skin. This is safe to use every night, and it is good for most skin type.